Welcome back to Let's Try Kitchen, and I've been on a tear on making pizzas. I don't know what it is, but playing with dough has been very therapeutic for me. I've made probably around 8 pizzas so far, and they've been average and nothing spectacular. There are 3 things that I'm looking for in a perfect slice of pizza. 1, the slice has a strong foundation and can hold itself up. 2, the crust is fluffy. And 3, it has a crispy bottom. My pizzas have lacked the holy trinity of a perfect pizza. They're droopy, the crust is dense, and bottoms have a mediocre crispiness. The problem with my pizzas are problematic due to the tools that I have at my disposal. 1, the main culprit of this is money. You see, I don't have $600 for a wood fire oven like an Uni or Rockbox. I don't want to spend another $40 on another kitchen gadget that will only be used for pizzas, like a pizza stone and a peel. If you're like me, you probably struggle with where the heck am I going to put all these things if I do purchase them. It all comes down to money, storage, and a lot of time and practice when it comes to pizza making. And as most home chefs like you and me, we don't have a lot of these luxuries. However, there is a solution to our problem. Serious Eats has created a recipe that solves all these issues. It takes the principles created by Jim Leahy of Sullivan Street Bakery and brings it to pizza form. This recipe is a no-knead pan pizza that has similar taste to a Pizza Hut and a focaccia bread. All you need to do is lightly knead the dough, then you rest the dough for a minimum of 8 to 24 hours, allowing the yeast to do its magic. All you need is an oven, a cast iron skillet, and no need to pull out a KitchenAid for this. This recipe gives near to perfect guaranteed results. You get a fluffy crust, the bottoms are crispy, you don't need to knead. And the best part is, no stretching of dough like a traditional pizza, and if you're like me, you're pretty terrible at it because all you do is make holes. So how do you make this dough? Well, we'll be making a 68% hydration dough, and after you add all your ingredients to a mixing bowl, mix until there's no dry bits of dough laying around the bowl, and then after that, apply a plastic wrap and allow the dough to rise for 8 to 24 hours. There it is, your dough is very simple to make. 2 hours before cooking, dust your hands and work surface with flour. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Take 1 part and roll it into a ball. This is your pizza dough for 1 pizza. Grease your cast iron skillet with olive oil and add your dough. Press down to form a disc. Apply plastic wrap and allow the dough to rest for an additional 2 hours. During this time, the dough is stretching itself into a self-shaped pizza, allowing you to do minimal shaping. After 2 hours, use your fingers to press gently into the dough. What this does is it releases any gas inside of the dough. Also, you are spreading the dough to the rim of the pan. Add your sauce, cheese, and toppings. According to Serious Eats, this type of pizza requires a little bit more sauce than normal, so please be generous with your sauce. Place this pizza into a preheated oven at 550 degrees Fahrenheit or your highest settings for 12 minutes. Well, your pizza's almost done. All you need to do is allow it to rest for another 10 minutes. Just take it out of the pan with a spatula and allow it to cool down. And you're done! There you have it, your no-knead pan pizza. So what's great about this pizza recipe? Well, you can add a lot of sauce and toppings because the pizza allows it. The pizza structure is strong and can handle quite a bit of weight. The best part, if you add cheese and sauce to the edges, you will get cheese crust. According to Alt, these are what dreams are made of. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this recipe. It has allowed me to achieve many things that I haven't been able to do. For instance, a strong foundation, a fluffy crust, and even a crispy bottom. I would highly recommend this recipe because of how easy it is. No special kitchen gadgets or a mixer. No guessing game on did I need enough? And the best part about this is your children can help you or even people who have no cooking knowledge. It is that easy. This recipe will allow you to bring pizza night back to your household with a nice homemade flair. Like Alt says, an imperfect pizza is still a pizza. Well, thank you so much for watching, and this has been Jonathan at Let's Try Kitchen. And as always, if you have messed up in the kitchen, you can always begin again.